Hey guys, it's Mike Borgen from Modern Horizon Homes, brokered by Real LLC. Today we are going to be exploring the Gateway floor plan here in Cadence at Tradition. I absolutely love this community and might be a little biased since I personally own one of Madamy's homes in this community. This model we'll be touring today offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms along with a flex room with a total of 2,209 square feet of living space. The community Cadence at Tradition is in the heart of Tradition. It is located 7 to 10 minutes from downtown Tradition, 10 to 15 minutes from I-95, and 30 minutes from Jensen Beach. You're about 35 minutes north of Jupiter and 45 to 50 minutes from West Palm Beach, Florida. If you're new to my channel, I'm a licensed real estate agent. If you're looking to purchase a home in Port St. Lucie, Florida, or the surrounding areas, I encourage you to call me, text me, or shoot me an email to get started on your new home journey. As always, using me as your realtor when buying a new construction home does not cost you a thing, as the builder pays your agent's commission. If you go to Builders First and register, you will lose your right to be represented by a realtor throughout this process. When you step into a model home, you're entering a builder's sales office. Their agents represent the builder's best interest, not yours. Back to the community here at Cadence, all the homes are built with full concrete block structures on both levels of the homes. All the windows and exterior doors are hurricane impact resistant, which really helps maintain a cool home during the summer months in Florida, and will assist you with the cost of homeowners insurance. All the homes are also equipped with a tankless gas water heater for no additional cost. The base price of this model starts around $423,990 before any upgrades or lot premiums. You choose to build your home from scratch. Madamy Homes has a design studio located in Tradition Square where you work with the builder to pick your upgrades you want in your home. If you're looking for something quicker and move-in ready, there are 5 move-in ready Gateway models about to be finished being constructed both on the lake as well as a berm. Some more information about the community is it's a gated community with an HOA fee of around $372 to $390 a month. That HOA fee does cover the amenities that Cadence has to offer with the covered outside cabana and pool area, as well as outside irrigation, which comes from the lakes, and landscaping of yards and common areas. Many of the communities in the Tradition area also have a Tradition Master HOA, which includes your cable TV, high-speed internet, and home security system. These 3 items are built into the HOA you pay. When you buy a home at Madamy Homes, it does come with a limited 1-year warranty, and I have additional information on what it covers if you're interested. If you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Just to recap, if you're thinking about moving to Port St. Lucie, Florida, and want to explore these models, please text or call me first, as it does not cost you anything to use me as your realtor. Who would better represent you than somebody who actually lives in this neighborhood? As your realtor, I'll guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tours and updates on the best properties around. See you next time.